Corey just grabbed a USB cable. It did come with your Jabra headset, but if it isn't, we have a whole stash of them here. He's going to take his USB cable and plug it into the back of his Jabra headset. Then he's going to plug it in the back of his monitor. Visual learners unite. Then he's going to grab an Ethernet cable. Is that an Ethernet cable?
Yeah.
Or am I wrong? Okay. And he's going to plug it in the back of his headset, right? In the back of...
No, in the back of the phone.
Oh, the back of the phone. Okay. Did you also get the Ethernet cable from that same box?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a special box around here.
Challenge is getting these twisty ties.
I don't want to stop it because I don't know how to edit videos.
Oh, I don't. Yeah.
All right. So
Spare Ethernet port on the back.
so spare Ethernet port in the back. Bam. And
then plug it in the back of the monitor.
in the back of the monitor. Okay. So that's step one.
Yeah.
All right.
And then, on here you click the little screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Headset settings.
Headset
I
settings.
think. Is it headset or phones? Phones. Okay.
Oh,
Phone settings.
Phone settings. Never mind.
Connect soft phone.
Connect soft phone.
Confirm. Yeah. And then you scroll down.
Scroll down. Whoops.
It doesn't.
Oh.
Hit
I'm
the
like
down
trying to do it
arrow.
like an iPhone. You hit none, audio only.
None, audio only. Next. Next. X.
Reset.
All right.
yeah,
So
and
part
then-
2 is a computer. I'm gonna do another one for that.
Actually,